What's this? This is a Supply Partners RS485 Wi-Fi pack. We've been supplying these into Australia and around the world now for over 5 years. With solar systems becoming smarter, export limits being implemented, and consumers wanting greater clarity around their site energy usage, we're seeing more and more energy meters than ever before being installed. For batteries to charge and discharge correctly, load monitoring to be accurate, or export limitation to work correctly, a smart meter will need to be installed at the connection point to the property. The smart meter is then typically wired to a master inverter on site. Unfortunately, and especially in Australia, running a cable between the smart meter and solar inverter isn't always possible. This is where our RS485 wireless pack comes into play. The RS485 Wi-Fi pack comes with a pre-programmed pair of RS485 to Wi-Fi converters, 2 plug pack power supplies, and 2 high-gain directional antennas. Before going down this path, here are some key tips to ensure a trouble-free installation. Based on our own experiences, if a wireless link is required, we recommend using Fronius inverters on the installation. Not only do we know that the system works reliably with Fronius when installed correctly, we also have support from Fronius's local Australian technical support team. So if things go pear-shaped and we cannot find a fault with the wireless system, Fronius will still be happy to investigate the cause of any issues present. We've had other manufacturers test our wireless kits and it work in their bench testing. However, we are yet to see enough real-world usage to vouch for the reliability when used with other brands. Please reach out to us with the brand you have in mind and we're happy to give you feedback on our experiences. You will need a clear line of sight. The high-gain antenna can be used comfortably up to 500 meters. If this isn't possible, try and plan the installation so the antennas do have a clear line of sight. If line of sight isn't possible, we do not suggest attempting it, as there is a very high chance it will not work at all or will work unreliably. The antennas are directional, so it's very important to have them aimed at each other. Be mindful of metal surfaces and other obstructions in the path of the antennas that can block or reflect the signal. The antennas come with around 500 mil of cable attached. Do not extend this as it will result in signal reduction. Instead, extend the RS485 and power cabling, noting that the antenna is outdoor rated, however the wireless converters aren't. You may need to allow for a third-party weatherproof enclosure to house the converter. We recommend 20 gauge, 0.5 mil square screened twisted pair data cable for the RS485 cabling. From an installation perspective, install your smart meter and inverter as per normal. If there are resistors that you normally install, these should be fitted as normal too. The wireless converters require 5 to 36 volt DC power supply and RS485 positive and negative connection. Simply match the positive and negative of the RS485 cabling between the meter and inverter with A and B of the converters. A is positive and B is negative. Lastly, if hardwiring a cable is possible, do it. A solar system is an investment, and with the right products, it may last over 25 years. Hardwiring a cable from the beginning will have a higher cost attached to it, however will provide greater reliability over the life of the system. Here at Supply Partners, we also have solutions for RS485 over a local area network, RS485 to Wi-Fi kits to suit longer distances, wireless bridges to provide internet access over long distances, and wireless contactor tripping solutions for remote generator disconnect and grid protection. Please reach out to us or give us a call today to see how we can help you with your next project.